Hi guys, today I want say about how to learn pro drawing. I have planned drawing. First, I learn draw anatomy from book, and then I want to draw animals in basic level. Then I want to draw um, shape, shadow, color. Then I want to draw buildings and mm, objects, other techniques. Then I want to return uh, on basics, drawing clothes, pupils, anatomy. But anatomy I want to learn with part of body, head, uh, uh, first head and the torso, uh, arms and the legs, which uh, of part, same part of other between other. Okay. Uh, e, what I say about learn up on internet, YouTube video. Uh, I can't uh, uh, learn my persimmon. I can't learn from YouTube video, internet, and tutorials because maybe I don't uh, spend my money. If I think if I spend my money in a different course, maybe I can be draw learn draw in course, but if I learn in tutorial, I me stay very uh, I stay very lazy and busy. uh, Now I learn drawing from book, because in book have more half course, more sorted program, and when I when you draw in book, you not listen for 30 minutes about this information. You just draw, draw, and first you copy a picture, then you draw in your fantasy images. uh, Maybe if 1 week you can draw in you imagine, not copying from book. I draw my uh, animal in today in video. It's my first day, how you say. You can watch my this video in my channel. Okay. uh, Today I draw about three house because I draw very more, maybe 20, maybe 30 times other different pictures. Okay, how about video and other tutorials? When I enter the YouTube, I very stay very watch the other videos. When I read book, I concentrate on read book, not watching other videos. And it's me like it, but not. I think YouTube videos need use for motivation, for yourself, because when I watch anime serials, animations, YouTube videos, I'm very motivations about, oh good, it's person very good drawing, I want to drawing. I like it. And but learn from internet, it's very bad idea, I think. uh, uh, because if you draw pupils, it's, I think, good idea. But if you learn animals, it's very bad idea, because people learn uh, all beginners, and this them very popular. But drawing animals, it's very specific them, and uh, it's not popular team. And other pupils, I think, not watching how draw animals uh, from YouTube, because very go far drawers, I think, learn drawing from course, or from, how I say, in the book, but not use YouTube tutorials, I think. But sometimes I meet very good tutorials. Mm, but if you draw, how I say, draw pupils or shading, maybe coloring, and background, you can use YouTube for yourself drawing. But if you have drawing, uh, need drawing buildings, maybe uh, ar- ar- architectures, mm, and how I say, animals, you need read the book. Okay, goodbye. uh, if you like my videos, like and subscribe for watch video about drawings, gamings, and gaming process, and programming. um, uh, First I do video about drawings, and I think other days I will be show about 3D modeling, base form, base level. Then I go to far to other specific profiles. Bye.